The cold mountainous Valle D'Aosta is Italy's smallest region, but it's huge when it comes to warm, hearty dishes like this antipasto of Crostone Ai Funghi e Lardo, wild mushrooms with buttery fontina cheese and a special cured pork fat, all sitting atop some toasty rye bread. A good hot pan, a little butter and oil, and in they go. That's the sound you want to hear when you're frying mushrooms. Now a few shallots. Just to moisten things up a touch, a splash of dry white wine. And just a tiny drop of heavy cream. That just needs to reduce while I go and prepare my rye bread. On a cold mountain morning, white bread just won't cut it. And the lovely, rich, dense flavors of this rye bread are perfect for the woodsy backfall of those flavorsome mushrooms. Just a drizzle of olive oil. While the bread is toasting up, it gives me a chance to work on the fontina cheese. This is one of Valle D'Aosta's many claims to fame, the famous fontina cheese, and I love it. Why? Because it is mildly sweet, a little nutty, and it melts so beautifully. Lovely. A sprinkling of fontina is going to make a wonderful ooey gooey base for my mushrooms. Off to the oven for another quick toast. Now I just need a little chopped parsley to finish off my mushrooms. Just a little quick taste. Nothing beats a little melted cheese on some crusty bread. Place a little mountain of mushrooms all on top of that toasted bread. Melted cheese, rich, decadent cooked mushrooms. The final piece of culinary excellence. Coming out of Valle D'Aosta is lardo, beautiful, rich back fat of pork. Just draped like little veils over the crostone. It is decadent, it is rich, it is over the top. Now that is a feast for the eyes. Gonna have a real good taste. Tough to know which is the star of the show here. Is it the fontina cheese? Is it those woodsy mushrooms? Is it the lardo? I can tell you this, they all come together so beautifully well. The cheese, the cream, it is over-the-top decadent, but the perfect way to start a Valle D'Aosta feast.